Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mammee Bay, St. Anne. Now, do you guys remember when China Harbor Engineering Company was coming to Jamaica? To the Jamaican government actually went to them and asked them to come to Jamaica and build this highway, which is a highway on the right, on the left, the North-South Highway, Highway 2000 North-South leg. And China Harbor Engineering Company looked at the project and they said, we'll build it, give us a 50-year concession to collect toll on the road, and give us 1,200 acres of land beside the highway. Give it to them. And the government said yes. They do it because they wanted China Harbor Engineering Company to build the road. And this has turned out to be one of the best decisions in Jamaica. Now, this deal has been scrutinized, it has been investigated. It's been talked about, discussed. And at the end of the day, China Harbor Engineering Company built the highway, and the government gave China Harbor Engineering Company 1,200 acres of land beside the highway. Now, this is a part of the 1,200 acres. This is about 160 acres. And now China Harbor Engineering Company is getting ready to put up a massive development out here. According to persons in the real estate market, this is prime real estate. They expect these units to be sold out within 1 to 2 weeks of going on the market. Now, that road you're looking at on the right is a north-south highway. Northern Coastal Highway, that takes you from Portland to Montego Bay to Negril. And that route is the north coast of Jamaica, where you have a massive expansion of the tourism industry. Everywhere you look in Jamaica, hotels are going up. And that road connects them all to the Sangster International Airport. This highway connects the North Highway 2000 North-South leg connects you from Mammee Bay to Kingston, and it's actually going to be expanded to go to Trelawney, but we'll talk about that in another video. So back to the deal. Now, Highway 2000 North-South leg was originally put up to bid, both sections, and they were to build a highway in one go from Kingston to Montego Bay. They wanted to connect both international airports. Now, I believe not building a highway in one go was a huge mistake, but we'll talk about that in another video as well. So they started to build it in sections, and a French company, I think the name was Bordeaux and Vinci, which is a French company, they came together to do the highway project, and they built the Highway 2000 east-west leg. And then when they came to build the Highway 2000 north-south leg, they started, I think they spent like 100 million, and then the project stopped. It halted because they weren't able to finish. So after going through this extensive bidding process and doing all the things for international regulations, the project stalled. So the government was stuck. So the government went to China Harbor Engineering Company, one of the largest construction companies in the world. And Vinci is one of the largest, as well as a French company, but they weren't able to finish it. So China Harbor Engineering Company came, looked at it, and said, okay, we'll build a highway. It's not going to have as much traffic as the other Highway 2000 east-west leg. So give us a 50-year concession, and we'll build a highway. We'll finance it, but you have to give us 1,200 acres of land because the toll is not going to cover the cost of the highway. So the land was like a backup in case the toll wasn't able to do it. So the government, being between a rock and a hard place, said yes, we'll do it. And China Harbour Engineering Company built the highway, and that brought them to Jamaica. Some people said they were doing projects here before, but this was the largest roadworks project, not only in Jamaica, but the Caribbean. And China Harbour Engineering Company did it. And they have been in Jamaica ever since. So giving them this land, guys, what do you think? Do you think it was a small price to pay for China Harbour Engineering Company to come here? And look at all the work that China Harbour Engineering Company has done in Jamaica. As it is today, there is no local contractor in Jamaica that could build the highways that China Harbour Engineering Company has built. So, what do you guys think? Do you think the government was right in giving them this 1,200 acres of land? Now, some people say that the land was a part of the cost of building the highway. However, when this highway was built and they started to charge toll, the land that China Harbour Engineering Company got was never given a value. It was never valued. Nobody knows what the land valued when they started to collect toll. So it looks more like a gift rather than part payment for the highway. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys. Have a good day.